Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. Have you ever walked through the grocery store, past the canned goods aisle, and wondered about that little tin of salmon? Or maybe you've heard whispers that fresh is always best, leaving you to question if canned fish is even worth your time. Well, get ready to have your perspective shifted, because we're about to uncover the truth behind canned salmon and why it's a nutritional powerhouse you might be overlooking. For a long time, there's been this persistent myth that canned food is somehow less than. We imagine it's processed, full of additives, and stripped of its natural goodness. But with canned salmon, that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, it's often an incredibly pure product. The canning process itself is a simple yet effective method of preservation. The fish is cleaned, placed in a can, and then sealed before being cooked at high temperatures. This not only makes it shelf-stable for years but also locks in its impressive nutritional profile. It's not about adding preservatives, it's about using heat to create a sterile environment. So, what exactly are we getting from that humble can? The first and most important thing to know is that canned salmon is an outstanding source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These are the good fats that are absolutely critical for our brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart function. But here's a little secret: many varieties of canned salmon, especially those containing bones and skin, actually provide even more benefits. Now, before you cringe, hear me out. The canning process softens the bones to the point where they are completely edible and easily mashed, almost like a paste. This means that a single serving can provide a significant amount of calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients that are vital for bone health and often hard to get enough of in our diets. Think of it as a natural, edible supplement. You're getting the healthy fats and the bone-building minerals all in one convenient package. Beyond the big hitters, canned salmon is also a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. It's a natural source of B vitamins, like B12, which is crucial for nerve function and energy production. Plus, it contains powerful antioxidants like astaxanthin, which gives salmon its beautiful pink color. So, next time you're looking for a quick and easy meal, don't dismiss the can. It's a convenient, affordable, and incredibly healthy option that gives you all the benefits of fresh fish without the fuss. It's perfect for a quick salad, a sandwich, or even a pasta dish. Trust me, this little tin is a big deal.